In this video, you will be learning about how to niche down your keywords, how to write your descriptions, and how to earn $500 plus. Hi guys, it's Shayan, and today I am going to show you how I earn $500 on Fiverr. So, in this video, I will teach you how to make the gig, how to search for your niche, and how to make the gig better to start earning on Fiverr. So, first thing you have to do is click on your profile icon and go into switch to buying. After going to switch to buying, the service you are going to sell, search for the keyword that you think that your buyer will be searching for. Let's say I search for Laravel. As you can see, I have searched for Laravel and I got over 8,500 plus results. This means it's very difficult to come up in this category. So I will niche it a little bit down. After I have niched down, I have added one more keyword, that is SaaS, software as a service. So let's see how many results we got in this category. Here we have got only 59 results. It's easier to get featured on the first page in this category. So for this keyword, so what we can do is we have to use this keyword in our title and description to make our gig. Let's see the title and description for my Fiverr gig. I will switch to selling and go into my business and gigs. Okay, here is the gig that have almost 63 impressions and 2 clicks in just 7 days. So let's edit it and check what's the settings and what description I am using. Okay, the gig title is I will develop a Laravel SaaS website for your idea. So this means that I have included the keyword that is your buyer can be searching. Okay. After that, it's programming and tech, website development, and these are normal things that you can set up with with the specificities of your gig. After that, you can have search tags. I have added these tags. Okay. After that, save your gig and go into the pricing. One hack in the pricing is that you should include the keyword in the pricing packages also. So as you can see, I have also already added will create Laravel SaaS project with one main feature. In every pricing, I have that keyword set it up. After that, you can set up this according to your pricing. You can price it quite low. One thing more you can do is how to price is that you can go into the switch to buy and search for that again and check that are selling the same service, the almost same service, and price it in between those with a lower bound. Because you are a new freelancer, you have much experience or any level, so you have to price it quite low but provide them quality, because you have to get 5-star ratings. Okay, how many revisions you should give? I gave only 1 to 2 revisions, because unlimited revisions can may lead to a low payment of the project. So let's check this description and FAQs page, because this is important. The client have no time to read through all your description if it's quite big. So make it concise and add that keyword into your description also. After that, you can add frequently asked questions. One or two may work fine in the starting. That what you are providing, how much you're working here, and how what you will be using in your projects. After that, you can ask for requirements and then go into the gallery. The gallery first three images are most important because they are mostly viewed by the client. You can, if you can create a video and add video here, it will be great. But you can go away with the simple image of yourself and adding some text on the side telling about what this service is about. I have created this, and after that I have two of my projects images that I have done and completed. Okay. After that, you can save and preview and check what the client will be seeing. I have completed almost 10 orders here, and the first order was from my teacher because you can ask your family members or anyone in your family or in working space to give you the order for the first time and give get the review first, because that builds the trust for the client that you can make good things for them. So if the trust has been developed, if the trust has been developed to the 5-star rating or any other rating, the client will click on your gig more often because you have a 5-star rating. So this is how this was how I made $500 on Fiverr. Thank you for watching this video. You can check my Fiverr below and all other services that are provided below. Thank you.